everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Letscookolet. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make beef shawarma at home. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna marinate the beef, and what I'm using here, I'm using the inside round, which is very reasonable price for it, and it's good to marinate. So you always go against the grain, and we're gonna slice it really thin, like this, almost shaved. So always remember, thin slice against the grain. And everything's ready to go in the bowl. All go in. I have here white onion. I'm going to slice it very thin. And onion goes on top the meat. And for the spices here, I have a cumin, salt, pepper, garlic powder, allspice, and cinnamon. But everything will be written in the description box down below. So I'm gonna give it quick mix, and all go in. Little bit olive oil, red wine vinegar, yogurt. Any kind of yogurt you have, it will do. And this is the secret to tenderize your beef, it's a yogurt. And you're gonna mix it very well. And always, for best result, you cover it with saran wrap, 2 to 3 hours in the fridge. Now if you have time and you do it overnight, even better. So you cover it with saran wrap and ready to go in the fridge for a few hours, and we'll take it from there. It's been for a few hours in the fridge. Oh my god, smells so good. Already smell beef shawarma. So stove on the medium. Now if you see some water in it, that's normal, so keep cooking till the water completely evaporate and the beef fully cooked and ready to go. Now let's prepare the toppings. I have tomatoes. I'm gonna slice it thin. Dill pickle, thin slice as well. And white onion, parsley, rough chop, everything goes in a bowl. Here we go. A little bit olive oil, salt and pepper, sumac seasoning, and let's give it nice mix. And this is the topping for the beef shawarma. The water evaporated, the beef is fully cooked, and our beef shawarma ready to go. So turn off. Here we go. Now for the beef shawarma, there's two ways to serve beef shawarma. You can serve it in a platter with a side pita bread, or you can wrap it individual sandwich. So I'm gonna show you both how to do it. So let's start with the topping first. I'm gonna spread them to the edges and keep room in the middle, a little well in the middle. And we fill up the middle with the beef. Or if you want to do individual wrap, you can use a pita bread, and that's the way how I make it for myself and how I eat it. So I put the little hummus in the bottom. I put the beef and the mix, the tomato, onion, parsley and pickle. And I'll finish it with nice tahini sauce, which is called tarator as well. Now I'm gonna put the link in the description box down below, and I'll show you how to make a good tahini sauce. You roll both sides. And the remaining grease here, I'll turn on and I'll toast the pita in both sides for about a minute each side. Oh, look at that beauty. Nice, look at that, how nicely toasted. Now the moment of the truth. Oh boy, the beef is super tender, full of flavor. So beef shawarma for you to make at home, super easy to make, all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.